In this video, I want to show you how to use inspection tool in Google Earth Engine. So let's get started. In Google Earth Engine, I have this script for Hungary NDVI. Let me run it and show you how to use inspector or inspection tool in Google Earth Engine. So I'll click on run. And here is the NDVI for Hungary. Now the inspection tool is used to display the summary of an image at a particular point you click on. And to use this tool, come to your left hand side. Here you can see inspector. Click on this menu. When you click on it, your cursor will turn to cross or plus sign when you bring it to the image. And if you click on any point on the image, it will extract information from the image on the points you have clicked on. Here you can see the longitude, latitude, and you can see the zoom level of the image, and of course you can see the scale as well. Then if you come down here about the image, you can see the NDVI value of the point I click on. So once you click on the image using the inspection tool, you will see the summary about the image with respect to the point you click on. So if I should go to another point and click, it will extract the information from the image about that very point I click. You can see the NDVI value here. So in summary, the inspector or inspection tool is used to quickly display the summary of an image at a point you click on, and is equivalent to identify tool in other GIS software like ArcGIS and QGIS. But this is how to use it. Thank you for watching.